Hey, gamers! Welcome to HitPaw channel. In this video, I will show you how to
sound like a girl and how to use Soundboard in CS2.
Before anything started, you'll need to download and install HitPaw Voice Changer. If you are first here, click the download link from description. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open HitPaw Voice Changer. On the setup page, select your microphone and speaker, and make sure you can hear yourself. Click Continue and say something to test the voice changing effect.
Oh, so sweet voice.
Now, click Done to dive into the real-time voice interface. Tap here to log into your HitPaw ID, then we can start our voice changer trip. There are many different voices to choose, and if you want to change male's voice to a female, here we tap Female category. Choose a voice you like. Turn Hear Myself on to preview the sound.
Hi, do you love my voice?
OK, and now go to Soundboard. Add keybind for desired voice effect. Now, it's time to bring this voice changer into CS2. Launch the game. Click Settings menu. Then go to Audio. Choose HitPaw Virtual Audio as the audio device. Now when you speak inside the game, your voice will sound just like the girl voice you selected.
Hi guys, where we going?
And we can play the sound effect by pressing the shortcut key we just set to. Have fun with this amazing voice changer in CS2. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you run into any issues with the software, check out our guide video or drop us a comment for assistance. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for tuning in.